At Schnell Industries, we believe great OEM partnerships start with understanding, not guessing. That's why we follow a proven process designed to turn your production needs into practical, reliable manufacturing solutions. First, we discover your current production situation, including capacity, lead times, quality, and bottlenecks. Then, we solve by presenting a practical solution based on your specific requirements, supported by relevant past work and real manufacturing experience. Next, we prove our capabilities by building confidence through facility tours, when appropriate, team introductions, and open discussion. From there, we align on scope, volume, specifications, logistics, expectations, and timelines. Once everything is clear, we commit with pricing, terms, and a final agreement. Then we deliver with proactive communication, regular updates, early issue identification, and strong project management. And finally, we grow, supporting repeat production, future opportunities, and continuous improvement. When your goal is to dream bigger, our goal is to help you manufacture bigger. Partner with Schnell Industries, and let's build what's next together.